What's going on, guys? Cuber Asim here. Today we have an unboxing from cubelelo.com. I ordered the Valk 3 from cubelelo.com and its package has come now. So let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let's keep this aside now. Oh yeah. So what's this? This is a gift voucher or something, like get 15% off. So let's keep that aside. Here's the cube itself, the box actually. What's this here? Like, oh wow, oh, speed cube, oh wow, thank you Cube Lelo. And now here's the invoice or something. Let's keep all this aside. Here's the cube, Valk 3. The Valk. I just can't wait to open it. Like, let's open this. Oh yeah. The cube. I ordered it in the stickered version. And yes, what's this? I think these are the cards or something. Like, I saw it in many videos. Oh. Walk 3. Walk 3 or some QR code. Solution, Max Walk. Solution. Oh, nice. Max Walk's autograph. Max Walk. My name is Max Walk. Okay. And huge the Walk sticker. Okay. Here's the cube. Let's open the plastic. So right out of the box it feels a bit lube. There is a bit of lube on its outside. Sticker shades are nice. I like them already. So let's try first turns. Oh wow, just wow. This cube is like smooth and fast. I'm not even applying strength here. So see, one flick, 1.5 turn. That's really good. Let's try the checkerboard pattern. Nice, actual nice. Let's check the corner cutting now. 45. Oh, it cuts 45. Above 45. Good. Good. Now reverse, I think. Okay. Oh wow. I like this cube already, This is like my instant main right out of the box. So that was it for this video, guys. Please hit the like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.